Hi guys, hope you're well. It's Matt Feast. Just want to quickly throw a video up together for people coming into my platform, a company called XRP AI Bot. It's only about say 5 or 6 days old. I've been on the webinars and watching, what's happening. Actually I was quite blown away with the company. The minimum to start with this business is roughly about say 11 XRP, which is roughly at the moment for 33 bucks approximately, due to XRP being roughly about say $3. I've done a little start of a video. If you're interested in joining, please click on the link below. And meanwhile, welcome to the platform if you are a member or you've just joined. Please watch the videos step by step and just gives you an idea. I will be doing other videos in the next few days because this is only about say probably about 4 or 5 days old, this company. So we do have webinars every day, but please come into the platform, have a look at yourself, and if you're happy with it, great. This is very good technology for growing your XRP. Meanwhile, have a great day, and thank you very much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Hi guys, it's Matt Feast. I just thought I'd do a video on how to get started with XRP AI Bot. Okay, first thing you need to do, you need to have a hot wallet like MetaMask. There's loads of wallets out there, but I use MetaMask. I've been using for years for other platforms. And meanwhile, let's get you connected. So the first you need to do, you need to connect your wallet. So click that button there, and you'll bring to this page here. Okay. And once you're onto this page, you need to fund your wallet. You need to fund this platform. Okay. So what you need to do, you need to go straight to fund. So if you little button there says more, so you click on more, and then down here you see the word fund. So let's scroll down. There's a wallet there. Click on that button there and you see fund. So here you are, fund. It's just on the left hand side on the menu, the navigation menu. Okay, click on fund. All right, and this page will pop up. So you need to fund your account now. So the first thing you need to do is a little button there right in the middle. Got a little arrow pointing down saying add funds. So click on add funds. You see a little timer just there, and you've got 4 ways of putting a deposit in. You can either pay an XRP, a random gateway, or Felicio gateway. I never heard of that, but a DApp. DApp is obviously that's my MetaMask wallet or your MetaMask wallet or whatever you're using, a hot wallet. Okay. And it gives you various options. You can pay by your ETH, USDT, USDC, BP, USDT, and USDC. But please make sure when you send the funds, you send it on the proper network. Okay, very important. Okay, so for this example, let's do USDT BP. Okay, that's normally off my MetaMask wallet. Okay, and the minimum really is for deposit wise is roughly 11 XRP. It's $3 at the moment per XRP, so that's 30 bucks, $30. Okay, just remember that. So it's 30 bucks, 30. But always allow a little bit of slippage. You know, say that's $31, yeah. Or sorry, 31, yeah, $31. Because you've got to pay, you've got to add say a little bit of extra for fees. Yeah, so, wallet charges, fees. Anyway, submit this the amount. Okay, so you submit, and then your MetaMask wallet will pop up. Okay, I've done it already, so I'll quickly cancel that. Then after the funds has gone into your wallet, okay, quickly click that off. Once you can actually see it in here. Okay, you can actually see the amount in there. All right. And the second thing you need to do after you've funded your wallet, okay, you need to buy a package. So what you need to do is a little button here that says holdings. Click on holdings, all right, and it'll bring you to this bit here. All right, you see, you don't see that. You'll see that when you actually make a when you buy a package. You know, it gives you say 60, well, it gives you 70 days actually. Yeah, sorry, my eyes are bad. But anyway, so yeah, what you need to do is next thing is a little icon up here. Click on that, and then it says self, right? Self fund wallet, okay, and then you put, say, you have a little list here, 10 XRP, 100 XRP, whatever you want, whatever you can afford, okay, all right. Let's say, I know, let's say 10 for this video's sake, okay, and then you say, yeah, okay, do you want to use XRP points? Yeah, why not, you know, then you submit, okay, and once you submit it, okay, you'll see this little gentleman do his thing, do his dance. You have to, you know, it gives you, you know, what's this, let me enlarge the screen, I can't really see that properly. There we go. It gives you 66 hours. So every 66 hours, you need to click on a button, and it resets it, yeah? Okay, that's how it works. And you will get airdrops coming into your MetaMask wallet. I will be doing other videos on this in the next day or so, because I've only been in this in the last 2 or 3 days, so it's quite new. We are having a pre-launch on the 8th of November, but we're all kind of getting set now to you know, basically get paid in XRP. So that's just another way of making more XRP into your wallet. We do have webinars every day. If you reach out to me, I will actually put it into the link, or you can actually join the Telegram group. There are links in my page. You can actually join, or you can join on the WhatsApp. Okay, all right. So please reach out to me if you're interested. I'm here to help. Meanwhile, have a great day, and thank you very, very, very much for watching my video.